9 Beaming benefits of photography for boomers. Thankfully, for seniors, photography has benefits that expand seniors' mental and physical well-being, besides capturing great memories. First, an enjoyable hobby has excellent therapeutic benefits for seniors. Literally, it enhances your cognitive abilities, social habits, and physical hardship. Second, searching for unique images can improve your emotional health and self-esteem. It will also help you improve your emotional health. It helps you relax, distress, and reduce pain without medication. Third, mentally challenging activities improve your attention span and combat memory loss linked to maturing. Studies show that doing mentally challenging activities involving using your peripheral vision reduces this form of age-related mental decline called cortical atrophy. Fourth, being busy means more energy and brighter moods. Having more energy and being satisfied with what you are doing go together. This keeps humans active so they can stay alive longer, as a mechanism by which they stay having fun. Fifth, being a photographer can diminish stress. Adding photography to the rest and recreation side of your schedule might help you relax, distress, and reduce pain without medication. Sixth, photography promotes better self-care. Photography motivates you to go places and frequent activities that you did not have time to do when fully employed. Seventh, as your photography improves, so does your creativity. If you want to improve the quality and quantity of your photos, there are several ways that you can accomplish this by using better camera equipment, software, or applications. Eighth, photography can improve humility and graciousness. A humble person knows his boundaries and limitations, errors, imperfections, and lack of insight. And ninth, mentally challenging activities improve memory for baby boomers. Researchers from the University of Maryland School of Medicine have found that a challenging mental task for older adults improves memory as they age. Become a photographer. Go to www.boomerscorner.org/benefits of photography and read the whole article and try the course links. Do not forget to subscribe.